Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTuber channel with the Jamaican Dreamers. So today we're gonna be doing something good. Check it out. All right, guys. So I remember when I did the Walmart video, guys, and I was telling my husband about the tomato what do you call this? Sauce? Yeah, the tomato sauce that I bought the last time I made the spaghetti meal. And guys, it was awesome. So I decided to do it just for you. So we wanted to move away from the typical, Jamaican dumpling or rice and banana to, something different. So here we go. So we prepare, we look at onion, we look at sweet pepper, and later on you're gonna see where we prepare our garlic and scallion, right? So this is what? This is a Spanish word I'm thinking. Ragu. Right. So it has some chunky stuff in it, guys. So we want to make sure that we cook it on a low heat. Right? So it all depends on how much spaghetti you're going to have. I have a big family, so I wanted to do a whole pack of spaghetti, so that's the amount that I do. And yeah, just cook it on some low heat, heat up that water, get that water boiling for your spaghetti. I'm over there enjoying my ensure while cooking, holding a vibes. The man them drink up them rum and all a vibes. Yeah, me I drink up my ensure and all a vibes in the kitchen. So spaghetti added to the boiling water. Make sure that it's boiling water, guys. And while your spaghetti is there, eventually as it cooks, it will just submerge under the water. I added some onions to my sauce, guys. I love onion, I love garlic. If you're not a fan of onion, you don't have to add it. But the ingredients already come with chunks of onion and tomato in it. So I love my onion, so I'm going to add myself some more onion. Turn down that heat. Make sure that heat is down because you're gonna be cooking it for a while. A lot of us get barrel with these things, and we dash them away, or we try to make some stuff man it no work out. But guys, next time you get a barrel, try this. Yeah? Or next time somebody's packing a barrel for you, you tell them, listen sis, or listen cuz, or listen auntie, or listen mommy, or listen daddy. Send some of this to me now. I want to try out this new spaghetti recipe that you learn just right here. Alright, so spaghetti is cooking, looking good, just the way I want it. And so now we're just gonna swirl it around, get it all in the pot so that some don't cook before some. Alright, and just leave it here to just cook. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so let's go now. Once the sauce, because you have to give it some time, once the sauce is cooked, you want to drain your spaghetti. But in the meantime, let's go to the salmon. Salmon is what we're having today, guys. So I bought a pack of salmon at Walmart. Yeah. And so they come in separate bags. So if your family is small, you take out the amount that you want. It all depends, alright? So you're gonna wash it, of course. Make sure you wash your meat. Yeah, we Jamaicans will wash your meat. Alright, so wash your meat. You have to go back and you have to check on your food. Yeah, you don't want it burn up. You don't want the water dry out too much. You want to check if it's cooked, if it's at the right temperature, because guys, you don't want it to be overcooked, because remember, you're gonna be adding it to this sauce. You definitely don't want it to be overcooked. You just want it like 3/4 cooked, so that when you add it to your sauce and give it that little time, it will just finish up very nicely with the sauce. Alright, and those chunks of onion, they will cook out a little bit more, and just food in with everything else, so you don't have to worry about those. Alright, you see my pot Steaming up, steaming, steaming, steaming. Of course, just like that. More food. You know the motto, not true? More food, yeah, yeah. All right, guys. So next we're gonna just have to just season our salmon. So salmon is not a typical Jamaican food where it's not something that we have very regular, maybe because of the price and all of that. But salmon is usually cooked with not so much seasoning, guys. So I wanted, because I wasn't gonna add any sauce, any additional sauce, I just added just a little bit. Some people might say it's too much, or some people might say it's too little. But I just added some Maggi fish seasoning. So salmon is a fish, guys, right? We should know that, yeah. And we added some jerk. We had some Maggi jerk, and if you guys be watching me, you know that I'm all about the Maggi products. Yeah. And we added some all-purpose, guys. All-purpose is my bottle. Yes, it's been going strong. My bottle is going strong. I'm losing my label, but it's still there, guys. It's all-purpose seasoning. And now we're just gonna be adding it to our salmon, guys. Just think about that taste. If you know Maggi, you know the flavor that we're adding to this right here. Right? And so just gonna add it. If you like a lot of seasoning, then you add it. You just add a lot. If you don't like, I use a foam plate because listen, yes, when food don't cook, you don't want to have too much plate to wash. So yeah, but just add a little foam plate, put them in a little foam plate, and I like to have the seasoning because I won't have any gravy later. Gravy not good for no cleaner, guys. Too much gravy not good. Alright, so add up the season the salmon, and yeah, you look good. You look good. Like it. Yeah, guys. And you add the seasoning that you like, because a lot of people don't like certain thick seasoning on their salmon. Some people like it light. Like some people fry fish and they use just black pepper and salt. So it all depends on your liking and what you like. Alright, so looking good so far. More food. Yeah, guys, rubbing it down. I should do this like an hour before and make it kind of soak. Make it marinate. Yeah, but still I got taste good, just the same. So guys, we added it to the pot. So first I added 3 to the pot, and I didn't want them to break, so I just scooped them to the side. Add the other 2 that I wanted to do, and me, I'm just kind of different. I like my food kind of on the burnt side. I like it when it has that little crispiness. Yeah, so I added the rest of the seasoning to the pot because I didn't want to waste it anyway. So I added it to the pot. Usually I just add some all-purpose to it, but since I add that there, I just use everything. I use a little sugar because, believe you me, this sauce can be a little bit tangy. So I added a little bit of sugar just to cut down the tanginess to the sauce. That's just how it is. It's a little bit tangy, right? Yeah, you just make it cook on low heat 30 minutes thereabouts. It all depends on how much you're doing. You turn your salmon, make it all crispy and nice. Oh my god, tasty guys. Look at it. I can just tell you. All right, so I had my spaghetti. So guys, I drained the water from my spaghetti. What would be a better advice is for you to look at it. You understand me? It's for you to take it from it, because my spaghetti was already done. The sauce is not yet done. It's I had it out of water for a little bit, but my advice to you is just try to do it in the same time period so you can just add it as it's ready, right? But it still turned out just fine. It's just that you see that look in the pot when I added it, the moisture had to soak into it for it to come about alive, Alright, this camera now, I don't think it's showing the true, something will go on because, but guys, look at that, looking so delicious, like spaghetti and some salmon. So in the pot, for the salmon, guys, I didn't add any oil. I just sprayed the pan with some olive oil, right, just to grease it. So you see, it looked as if oil is in it. It looked as if there's a little bit of oil in it, but there was no oil. It was just the spray, and it wasn't a lot. So I don't know. Salmon is an oily fish, I believe. Yeah. So now I'm cutting up my scallion. I just got the scallion off my balcony. My husband loves to plant. He has not gold thumb, but a green thumb, not true. So yes, guys, we're gonna add all of that to the frying pot, guys.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need